This is a 2016 Starcraft. The model is a SCX 230 IO. It's a big deck boat. This Starcraft has a lot of seating. The capacity is 13 persons. The engine is a MarineMax V6, 250 horsepower. Got an electric power hatch lift to access the MarineMax V6. This is a boat that's been used in freshwater. It's got a full instrument panel with a Raymarine GPS chart plotter. It's a nice big head compartment with a portable head. Stainless steel sink. The spacious bow rider compartment has a cockpit table that's removable, seating all around, stereo speakers both sides with drink holders in the same module, thigh-rise bolster flip-up seats on both sides. Transfer remote for the stereo. Transom shower. And this big hull is in excellent condition.